Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Queendom. So this episode starts off with Utaluqolo, Ebo and Omandlovu. They are sitting by the dining area and they are eating breakfast. So Utaluqolo is like, hey phela, ngithole umbiko lana ukuthi umshana kaZondi ulahlekile. Umandlovu is like, how? Hi, boom. Then was like, kusukela nini, like, since when has he been missing? Utaluqolo says ngolesine kusihlwa. Umcebo then says how? UZondi phela ushilo ukuthi umshana wakhe sekamdala manje seyakwazi ukuthi azithathele inqumo. And I laughed at that because remember uZondi did say that, and that was the time umshana kaZondi could not make it to the meeting. So I'm just like, for able to use that as a jab, knowing very well what he did kumshana kaZondi, I'm just like, ukhohlakele lo umcebo. And then uDaluqolo was like, hayi bo, awukahle wena wamanzi. And then umcebo was like, ushilo nje. Then uMandlovu was like, kodwa-ke mntwana nami, I heard that umshana kaZondi, he can't handle liquor. Daluqolo then says, hayi kodwa ngiyangabaza lapho Ndlovukazi, ngoba like unkosikazi wakhe uthe umgcine ngolesine. Kodwa-ke like akufani nayo uZondi lo mncane ukuthi like anyamalale nje kanjalo, like hayi bo, like akufani nabo. Then uMandlovu was like, have they filed a report? Has the family filed a report to the police? Daluqolo says yes, they have reported it. Kodwa-ke uyawazi amaphoyisa, like they go around in circles. But there he's just eating his fruits, guys. He's eating fruit salad there peacefully, like ingati, like he knows nothing about this business. He's not even feeling any sort of pain for the fact that he knows that he was torturing uLokuzana, umshana kaZondi, since Thursday. Or since, yeah, guys, Thursday. Then uDaluqolo says, ay asazi. Mandlovu goes on to say, ukuthi mhlampe nathi-ke we must assist the police with our own guards ukuze basize to help the police find a lead. And then uLokuzana, uDaluqolo says, ubona kanjani lo mbono wena wamanzi? And as he's saying that, umcebo's phone rings, and then umcebo says, oh, ngese like ucingo. And then he answers his phone. It's like, Mulapo, wenze njani lapho, like ukahle? Then he walks out. Then uMulapo's like, no, like I'm not good. I actually don't have good news. Umcebo says ukuthi ay angithandi-ke uqala usuku lwami with bad news. Yini manje, kwenze njani? uMulapo then says ukuthi my father has thrown a spanner in the works. He refuses to budge up until you spill the beans about our little predicament at the fracking site. And then I was like, that's just like what I that's really just what I needed today. Like, and I'm just like, but the way he's like, and he's speaking loud, and or like listening to him, like to say, to speak about uMulapo's father in that type of light. Anyway, we see uKamahlangu benondando eTsakane, they are having breakfast, and uKamahlangu zathi Ntando, ndifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi like ngiyaziqhenya ngawe ngani yami, kodwa-ke mengithi ngiyabheka emehlweni ngibona usizi nje. And then uNtando like ukuthi nje ma like kuningi that has happened, kuningi nje ma okusenzeka umhanje. She goes on to say ukuthi uTopozi, the person I could confide in, she isn't here. Umanga lana, like usangidukelwe, uThabange na, he wishes we could just move on ngempilo zethu nje kanjalo, kodwa mina angikwazi manje ke, like I can see myself taking my anger out on uThabang. Ubaba ngalana, he was almost shot dead la ekhaya. I was forced to take a person's life. Kuningi nje mam. uKamahlangu goes on to say ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi Ntando engane yami ukuthi it wasn't your intention, kodwa-ke lokho just shows ukuthi like you are not weak. Ukhahlamba lugijima la kuwena njengogogo wakho, njengomntwana uandile. Lawo madlozi ubaba wakho nogogo wakho like bagadile. Like umhlaba wonke jikelele, no one will do anything to you. And then uNtando just smiled. And then uKamahlangu says, yazini ngane yami, angenze nje like ngoba mina nawe ke like ngeke siqede lana. She gets up from her chair from the table and she laughs. She's like angivalelise ngoba like I have a very long journey ahead of me. Kusho ukuthi she's going back kwaNdebele. Then uNtando's like ayi ngempela ma like inde lendlela osazoyihamba. Then uMandlovu was like ayi ke. And then Untando's like, I'm really grateful, Ma, that you were here. Like, here with me, being with you, like, really made me feel like I was with my family. Then Ukamahlang was like, Kinguma wako, like Ntando isim. And then she says, send my regards kubabo mtombeni na gumkwenyan. Untando's like, umkwenyana. Ukamahlang laughs and she's like, na umkwenyana. And then Untando's like, ah. And then they both laugh, you guys. Then we see a council meeting that's going on, but Ebo looks like he's in an extremely good mood, you guys. He's smiling. He's like, I get my way to isikhathi my coronation approaches soon. Futhi ke asiqinisekeni ukuthi lo mcimbi ukuthi this coronation ceremony of mine uzoba umcimbi omkhulu ophakeme. uDalukhona is like, hayi wena wamanzi kuningi that we must organize ngesikhathi esincane ke. Then uMcebo's like, i-guest list yona like ihamba kahle. Then uKamahlangu, not uKamahlangu, Mandlovu says, hayi uhamba kahle kakhulu wena wamanzi. So confirm abantu, so confirm. She says there's 17 states rather, that have confirmed, and 32 royal leaders that have confirmed that they're coming to the ceremony. Then uDalukhona is like, awuzeke. And then as he's speaking like that, Umnyango opens up, guys, and then kungene uChief Nxumalo. As uChief Nxumalo is trying to get in, I am laughing there because remember, Umcebo said whoever's late for the meeting is going to pay fine 1,000 rand. Hi, as Nxumalo was trying to come in, Umcebo's like, mana lapho nje, mana lapho. He goes on to say, is this what council members do? Like uzifikela ngesikhathi sakho, that time uzifikela ngesikhathi sakho sithandayo. Thina mele sikulinde lana sonke la emkhandlweni mele silinde wena. And then he goes on to say, Umcebo goes on to say, akulungile ke wena noZondi lo wakho nizohlawula ngezinkomo eziwu5. I'm just like, the price keeps getting hefty. It's no longer 1,000 rands manje. Umcebo stem uthi ngizonihlawulisa ngeenkomo eziwu5. Then he goes on to say, uyezwa. Then uChief Nxumalo is like, wena wamanzi ngiyaxolisa for barging in and interrupting kodwa sengine ngiphethe indaba that are just terrible. He goes on to say ukuthi umshana kaZondi akasekho ushonile. Then everyone, guys, every one of the council members are like, how? La kwenzenjani? La kwenzekeleni ini? And then Umcebo's like, ushonile. I'm just like, Umcebo killed that guy vele, like he killed him vele. So Umcebo's like, ushonile. Then uChief Nxumalo goes on to say, which is Dumbu sakhe sitholakele esikhangeni ngiqeda nje ukuthola ucingo kuZondi uqobo lwakhe confirming these news. uMandlovu's like, awu kodwa nkosi yami, like ubugebengu sobuqhamukaphi obungaka. uDalukhola's like, ngubani owenze into embi kangaka? Umcebo there, he's just acting surprised, guys. Ungozi there, because she was also there. She is just burping one way, you guys. Next thing, we see uPravi, he's fixing some 2-plate stove laphayana, guys, when Thabang walks in and uThabang just stands there by the corner awkwardly. Then uPravi's like, and no, like uzoma lapho and say next, or uzokhuluma. And then uThabang says, hey man, Pravi, like kunamabaribari, kunamahem la etsakani. uPravi's like, ayikho nje into entsha etsakane Thabang, abantu balana they are always grumbling and gossiping about something. Ucabangs like inhleke timer. Inhleke timer lami at about lamagiza owalungisayo. Upravi then looks up, he's like, amagiza. Tabang says, yeah, Grand Shapi like Bati Bona beba bathambisile ama-solar geysers, not ukuthi bazobalungisela ama-geyser, but they were gonna get new fresh solar geysers. Upraviza like ayisuka bayadawa, like yazi bayahlanya Tabang, like bayithathaphi yonke le nonsense abayikhulumayo, yeah? Then he goes on to say ukuthi mina ngilungisa ama-geyser like abdala, like ukuthi like mina like I bring or I install amagiza amasha, like ngenzeni mina ngenza magic, eh? He goes on to say ukuthi like must I change old geysers and mina ngifaka ama new solar geysers when that was not my contract. He goes on to say ukuthi ayisuka like labantu banamadimoni nje, hayi nca. I'm just like angithi wena Braview usayine i-contract kamashesha ungayifundanga. Ushuguti the contract that Mashesha, or when Mashesha was taking people's money or whatever the deal was not to fix geysers, guys. The deal was to get people new solar geysers. Then next scene we see Utaluqolo and Undlovukazi. They are having tea. Umandlovu says to Utaluqolo, kubonakala ingathi like you are in deep thought, like kukhona yini something that's on your mind. Utaluqolo then says Ndlovukazi, ikhona like ikhona into that's bothering my mind. Yilokufa nje lokhu kwamshana kaZondi. Umandlovu's like, kuthiwani ngakho? And then Utaluqolo is like, yabona like lolu daba lolu, like anungiphathi kahle nje cha. Umandlovu's like, nami like nginazo izinsolo zami. And then Utaluqolo looks at her, is like, usolu umuntu esimaziyo sobabili. Umandlovu's like, unjalo. And then Utaluqolo's like, uthini like, uthi kunesandla kukho konke nje lokhu. Umandlovu's like, unjalo. Umandlovu goes on to say, you guys, ukuthi sesiyangithusa lesi silwane esisikhandile. Utaluqolo looks at her and is like, isilwane esisikhandile, like see, like thina. Umandlovu just looks at him and she's like, uyazi ukuthi ngichaza ukuthini. And then Utaluqolo says ukuthi uyamsola ukuthi uyena like uyamsola ukuthi like unesandla kuloku kufa kukamshana kaZondi. And then Umandlovu says ngiyamsola. She goes on to say ukuthi sengithemba ukuthi akekho ekuhambeni kukayise, like he's not involved in his father's death. This was such an interesting conversation. Utaluqolo goes on to say, oh Ndlovukazi, how kahle bo wena lo Ndlovukazi, you covered him. What like you covered him. What when you were done covering him, wamvikela. And then Umandlovu gets like, kwakufanele ukuthi ngenze njani ngoba nginguma wakhe. I'm just like, this conversation was just so, and the thing is like, they not mentioning Umcebo's name, guys, but they know that they're talking about Umcebo, and we know which they're speaking about Umcebo. And Utaluqolo is like, you now are scared of this monster, and you are saying ukuthi sikhandwe like nesiswane sikhandwe sithi. No, sikhandwe wena, and you the one was protecting and shielding lesiswane. Utaluqolo goes on to say Ndlovukazi, like isihlalo sobukhosi, and at this point Utaluqolo is raising his voice. He's like, Ndlovukazi, isihlalo sobukhosi sile phezulu. Akekho umuntu ongaphezu kwesihlalo sobukhosi. And then Umandlovu also raises her voice. She's like, yehlisa umoya phela. Like ucabanga ukuthi like angikwazi angiyazi leyo nto. Ucabanga ukuthi angiphili nayo leyo nto. Utaluqolo kulungile. And then Umandlovu says, what must we do? Or she says, what we must do is to follow the lead we have on the water project. Utaluqolo says, yebo, we need to do that umphakathi waseKhahlamba ungakasijikeli. So we need to do that before basijikele, or before umphathi waseKhahlamba like ajikele the whole palace. uMandlovu then says ukuthi sizokwenza njani lokho, and I'm thinking here is uMandlovu and uDanuxolo trying to scheme and stop was such an interesting duo, guys. I didn't see this one coming. uDaluxolo says, phela kukhona umuntu wami who is working on the inside of this project. Uthi-ke lo muntu ukuthi lokho sicabangayo akwenzeki laphayana. Like okunye nje, like something else is happening. He goes on to say ukuthi la manzi lawa ma-vitamin akukho lokho. And then uMandlovu says, ushukuthi nami je, I will be able to get something or get some information from Prince Mulapo. And she's saying that because Prince Mulapo, remember, is one of the investors in this water project. Then uDaluxolo says, oh, usho inkosazane yabeSuthu. Then he says, oh, akunankinga qhubeka Ndlovukazi, ngoba phela like kumele nje ukuthi we need to do something ngokushesha. And then uMandlovu says, I will do everything in my power. Daluxolo says, kodwa-ke uqaphele phela, like asifuni ukuthi loyana ukuthi athole ukuthi sesiyaphenya. Bathi loyana, I'm just like, these two, like no mentioning of uMcebo's name. And then uLokhuzana, uMandlovu says kunjalo. I'm just like, I feel like uDaluxolo played his cards so right, because I feel like he has uMandlovu right where he wants her. Because everyone could see, or uDaluxolo could see that she was shielding her son, even though she could see that her son is suspicious ngezinto azenzayo. But like, imagine if he approached her before time, she probably would have told Mcebo. So I am glad that she got to this point, because she can see ukuthi there's no turning back. Her son is willing to do noma yini to get his way. Then we see uNokhuzana, uThobozi at uThobozi's place. There's a girl that we see, a lady that we see ofikayo. She gets to the tavern and she's dragging her bags uhamba nengane yakhe. Then she finds a waitress there and she's like, hi, bengicela uThobozi, she's my cousin. Then the waiter says, no, come through the side. She goes through and then there's a couch. He makes her sit there and then he takes out a letter. He's like, this letter uThobozi said I must give to you. Then he's like, can I get you any drinks? So as he's going to get the drinks, the lady reads the letter and the letter says, uThobozi wrote that letter and she's like, hey mzala ngiyabonga, thank you for coming. Like this thing of my brother's passing has really been worrying me and I need answers. I went to Isangoma and the Sangoma said ukuthi I need, like, the answer lies within the conversations I had with my brother. So I'm really trying to find the reason of why my brother is not resting in peace. So ushukuthi uThobozi, guys, wherever she has left, she is trying to find some sort of reasoning of why her brother's not resting in peace. Angazi umzala wakhe, or she did ask umzala wakhe in the letter to take care of her house and to take care of her business. So angazi ukuthi if uThobozi, the actor, usamke, if she has left abamanzi or what's going on. But sizobona-ke. Then next thing we see ngempela uMandlovu, she's on a call with uMulapo trying to seek some information as she had said to uDaluxolo. So uMulapo was like, bana Ndlovukazi yamanzi, like, what a pleasant surprise. uMandlovu ahleke-ke athi hayi bengithi ukuthi angikubheke ngi-check impilo nje ndodana kade nje sagcinana. And then uMulapo was like, I can't complain, and yourself ma? uMandlovu says, awu siyabonga. She goes on to say, awu phela ndodana ngithe nje angibonge ngosizo olunikeze uMcebo ukuthi umboleke abantu bokusebenza. uMulapo was like, no problem, Ndlovukazi yamanzi. Like King Banzi used to say, we must do all that we can to ensure the future of both our kingdoms, because phela singumndeni, we are family. uMandlovu says, ayi impela, like, we are looking at a bright future. And then uMulapo says, indeed it is. uMandlovu goes on to say ukuthi sisakhuluma ngekusasa eliqhakazile, like uye wezwa nje about the stuff that's been happening la emphakathini wethu. Are you doing something about that? uMcebo was like, You know, people get worked up all the time, Ndlovukazi. Like abantu bakwatela izinto ezincane nje. UMaNdlovu says angiboni phela ndodana ukuthi uncane nje that people are complaining about. Mengabe abantu are going against the water project, ushukithi there's like it's a danger to this whole project holistically. She goes on to say ukuthi yiyo lento phela like edala an uproar. It's this water project that is making people get angry. Umulapo's like, oh, I see. UMaNdlovu says, yebo, phela abantu like bayashona ngalana ndodana. Nami like yikho ngizama ngikufonela lana ukuthola ukuthi like singabasiza kanjani. Umulapo's like, Ndlovukazi yamanzi, the one person who can really help you is right in front of you. UNdlovukazi goes on to say ukuthi awuyazi phela ukuthi uMcebo useyinkosi manje, like mina as uma wakhe, I have to actually make an appointment to see him. Umulapo's like, it's a problem, but no, like I don't have any answers. I'm just an investor. I don't really even know ukuthi wenzakalani with the people complaining le eKhahlambe. UMaNdlovu was like, how? Like ngiyacabanga ukuthi like he's explained this whole project to you during the business meetings. I'm sure utshelile yonke into like eyenzakalayo. Like angithi like niyabonana njalo, niyakhuluma njalo. Hi guys, UMaNdlovu is trying to fish for answers. Umulabo then says hello. Yes, my network in and he acts as if there's a network problem because he's trying to avoid being pushed into this corner that UMaNdlovu is trying to push him in. But anyway, she doesn't win, you guys. And I was just afraid at that point, what if Umulapo goes and tells this to Umcebo and then that puts UMaNdlovu's life in danger. I get next thing we see Ungozi, guys. Ungozi is telling Rejoice unyambose upoto benuthinte ukuthi baguqe phansi in the kitchen. Ay bagubheke Rejoice ungathi akholoza nyana, and then unyambose is like, hi Rejoice kanje. Rejoice agubhe, guys. Basekitchen baguqile. Ungozi is putting her hand into some bucket enamanzi and she's splashing them with this water. Angazi ukuthi wenza umcimbi or she's doing a ceremony of what? Angazi what's going on there. Kodwa we hear Ungozi saying ukuthi like ayiphume like yonke le mimoya emidaka. I'm just like, how are you casting out, or how are you trying to clean out evil spirits out of the servants where you yourself, you are the embodiment of evilness? That time, guys, she's burping, and Abonyambo said they are busy turning their faces because it's disgusting. It's like she's burping in their faces. She's like, maipume, lemi moya mintaga. And then she says, we're calling to be protected by Khahlamba in Ini. So I guess they're calling for protection for their workers and for the whole palace, since she's the sangoma of the new king. Rejoice just says ukolo banza like angicabangi ukuthi she just gets up. And then uLokuzana Ungozi says to Rejoice, masingaqabani ntombazana, ndithe guqa phansi. And then Unyambose tries to pull Rejoice, and then Rejoice gets up. She's like, ngeke ngikwazi bandla. And then Rejoice just walks off. Guys, ever since Rejoice's younger sister has passed on, Rejoice unenkani, and no one can tell her anything. Rejoice, anyway, you can't force people, guys, into such things. What if it's not even part of their belief? Rejoice just walks off. Ulokuzana Ungozi, that time she's following Rejoice. She's like, happy, buya. Happy wena ntombazana. Unyambose at the side is like, Rejoice. Rejoice is not listening to none of them. Rejoice is out of there, you guys. Then we see Untando usekitchen. She's peeling some potatoes. It looks like she's preparing dinner. And then next thing we hear umsindo, people outside, they like, yo angeke, like, unamanga lo bhuti lona. Vincent comes out of his room and then he asks uLokuzana uNtando ukuthi umsindo wani lo enguzwayo ngaphandle. Then uNtando says, ay baba angazi. ngathi like igama lakho leli abalibizayo ngaphandle. As uVincent opens the door, guys, abantu bavele batheleke, they come in the house, and then uVincent's like, indaba, like, what's going on? Whoa, wenzahalani, indaba. Then one of those people, they go on to say, usithembise amagiza amasha, Vincent. Like, usihambela amanga wena, ngithi usihambela amanga. Yo, uVincent is like, whoa, sisi, like, lalela, like, I'm sure kune misunderstanding enkulu lana. Like, khona misunderstanding. He goes on to say ukuthi buzani counselor lenu umashesha. And then one of the people there that are busy attacking Vincent goes on to say ukuthi misunderstanding my foot. So one of them guys tries to hit uNtanda ngazi ukuthi umshayile like on the neck or something like that, and then Vincent got angry, so Vincent he slapped or punched that person back. Next to Vincent is kicking people are coming out of his house, guys. It was a mess. Untando is left there, Carla, she's holding her neck like it's a mess. Lati Vincent, yo, I get. Next thing we see Ebo, he's playing piano, guys. He's playing piano. Now Ebo and Jay, he's in his own world, guys. Utalukala is pacing the room and he's really looking annoyed. Utalukala is like, Wamanzi. You can see which Wamanzi aramuza ubhizi ngamapiano wakhe laphayana. Utalukala is like, Wamanzi. Yini le ngane kwano ositshela yona ngamanzi anempilo in wenzakalani kule site yakho? Mandlovu sitting there at some corner, guys. She is quiet. Aba sagt ngizama ukuvukela umbuso like ikusasa lethu. It goes on to say ukuthi melu ukuthi yabonga nje Taluqolo. Taluqolo then says ukuthi leli kusasa leli limshiyaphi umshana kaZondi. Now you can see Eba's starting to get a little bit irritated. He's like, Kahleni phela. Like, Musanu kungumbuzi mibuzo, like, I'm a prisoner. Have you guys forgotten that I'm your king? Utalukolo's like, oh. Mandlovu was like, ay phela sinalo nje ilungelo lukwazi. And then Utalukolo says, le project lena, wenzakalani ngayo? Ngempela like yini? Eba's like, we are fracking. We tapping into reserved gas, for goodness sake. I'm like, and that time he's raising his voice. He goes on to say, we're fracking for reserved gas. And then Mandlovu gets up of that seat. She's sitting on and she's like, oh, lento inkulu. Like, it's bigger than I actually thought. And you can see she's worried. Talukalo then says, wangasitsheli wasifihlela. Ebo then says phansi kwezintaba of Kahlamba kunegesi eningi to power the entire country. uMandlovu goes on to say ukuthi bayagula nje abantu. Kodwa wena like ubona ukuthi like uzicabangela ugesi nje. And on top of that, like awusitsheli lutho. Ebo then says abantu abayiboni into engizama uyenza. Like they can't see the vision. We are taking gas from beneath umhlaba wethu. Izosiza umphakathi wonke wasoKhahlamba. Izonikeza abantu umsebenzi and make their homes warm. Izosiza abantu le project. uMandlovu ke goes on to say ukuthi bayafa nje abantu Ebo. And then Ebo says, owesikhashana uzodlula, like ngiyakuthembisa, like amanzi azozihlanza, labantu like abasebenzayo kule project like ama-engineers nama-scientists bayawazi umsebenzi wabo, bayayazi into abayenzayo. Ngithembeni ngalento engiyenzayo, ngithembeni. I'm just like for able to say ukuthi kuzodlula ukuthi owesikhashana, people are just dying just for now, so people must sacrifice their lives for other people to guys. Anyway, and then uNokuzana ke uTalukolo says how long has this been happening? He goes on to say, since King Banzi's reign, you've been doing this since Ubanzi was still alive. He goes on to say, oh, like I now see you. Ubanzi vele bengeke ayivume le project lena. And then uMandlovu says ukuthi kodwa wena waqhubeka Mcebo. uMcebo goes on to say ukuthi sonke siyazi ukuthi uBanzi bekagula ngengqondo. He was unable to properly think. Mina nje into engizama uyenza lana is ukuthi ngizama ukuthi ngisebenzele. As he's saying that, uDaluxolo just cuts him off. And he says, sebafile bonke abantu kule sizwe Mcebo. Vala le project, yivale. Mcebo goes on to say ukuthi uzowenzani? Uzowenzani if angiyivali le project? Mntwana. Uzongivimba. Like awuke uzame ke. Uzama ungivimba uzoyibona kahle ke le nkosi ungayihloniphi ukuthi ithwele ngani. And then he just goes back to play his piano, you guys, and that's how the episode ends. I'm just like, but things ukuthi uDaluxolo is like uBanzi and these people he's been fighting. I'm just like, uDaluxolo needs to show, because I am certain that uDaluxolo is no small boy, you guys. I just want uDaluxolo to put uMcebo endaweni yakhe, because at this point, imagine uMcebo udelela i-oga amahlangu, guys. Imagine. But anyway, let's park it right there, guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.